So I want to ask how to solve the dilemma of food in our people. Like there are always two schools of thought. Like few years back, Indians were demoralized on consumption of ghee and were shifted to olive oil, thinking it's good for health. But what we see recently is in USA that desi ghee has become a superfood there. So what are your views on this? And can you please share some heart healthy superfoods?
See, there is nothing like a very rigid diet program. Too much of our Indian diet consists of too much of carbohydrate. We consume huge amount of carbohydrate, starting from chapati, rice. Our staple diet is carbohydrate. So if we can equalize protein, carbohydrate, oil, and everything, it doesn't matter whether you are a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian. Avoid the red meat. Red meat, every study showed that red meat is not good. Other than that, then a lot of people practice vegan. I have nothing against or for vegan. You can follow anything you want, but take a balanced diet. The best parameter is check your body weight, make sure that it is within that acceptable standards for your height and weight and age. And get your blood test done. As long as your blood sugar is not high, as long as your other parameters are liver function is good, because we have a very high incidence of fatty liver, which can lead to many other problems. So for fatty liver, if you have to change your diet, reduce the carbohydrates, right? And you can see a dramatic difference. So essentially, I do not want people to go overboard on diet, and don't revolve your life around a very rigid diet. As such, life is very stressful. Don't make food also is a stressful factor.